Chapter 4 Linear Equations in Two Variables. Linear equation is an algebraic equation where the highest power of the variable is 1. The highest power of the variable is 1. Then we can say that is linear equation. So linear equation means algebraic equation where the highest power of the variable is 1. And linear equations in one variable and linear equations in two variables also. With one variable, ax plus b is equal to 0. This is the standard form. Here a is the coefficient of the variable x here. So a is the coefficient of that variable, b is the constant. Example here, 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. X is the variable, 2 is the coefficient and 5 is the constant. Here a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 5. In this case, linear equations in two variables. Standard form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. A is the coefficient of x, b is the coefficient of y and c is the constant. Example, 3x minus 5y plus 8 is equal to 0. This in the standard form. So we can compare with that standard form, the given equation. Here a is equal to 3, b is equal to, in place of b, that means coefficient of y, that is coming as here minus 5 and constant c is equal to 8. So in this equation x and y are the variables. Here 6y is equal to minus 7. This is not in the standard form. So we can write in the standard form as that 6y minus 7, when we are moving to the left side, it will come that is plus 7. C equal to 0. Here the variable is y and coefficient of that variable a is equal to 6, constant b is equal to 7. In one variable form, constant as b is equal to 7. Here 7x is equal to 3y minus 10. Two variables are there, x and y. We have to first convert to the standard form. So 7x, move this from the right side to left side. 3y it will become minus 3y. Minus 10 when we are moving, it will come that as plus 10 equal to 0. And here a means coefficient of x, first variable, 7. B coefficient of y, that is minus 3. And constant c is equal to 10. So linear equations in one variable and two variables. Linear equation, linear means the highest power of the variable is 1. Here we can see variable power as 1. 1 normally we are not marking there. So degree of that variable, power of that variable as 1 everywhere. Here a linear equation in two variables is the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers, has infinitely many solutions. For that equation there are infinitely many solutions. Here linear equations to write in the form, standard form, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Example 1. Here it is given 4 is equal to 5x minus 3y. It's not in the standard form. So we can write the same equation as 5x minus 3y. First we are taking this side and move this 4 to the other side. Then that will come that is minus 4 equal to 0. Now ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, standard form. And from here we can write a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to minus 4. Another example, just y is equal to 2. This one we can rewrite as y minus 2 is equal to 0. Still here only one variable, but that we have to write. Here the question linear equation to write in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, which means the first variable is, the coefficient of the first variable we can consider as 0. So we can write 0x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. 0x means nothing, that term is not there, but to add one more variable to make it the standard format, we can put that as 0x. And here a is equal to 0, coefficient of x that is 0, coefficient of y means 1 into y, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 2. And solution of a linear equation. Find the four solutions of a linear equation x plus 2y is equal to 10. To find linear, we know that linear equations have infinitely many solutions, infinite number of solutions. So here just any four solutions we have to find. First we can make the table like the same way. An equation is given as x plus 2y is equal to 10. X, y. We can put any value for x or y. Here first if I am putting x is equal to 0, then this term it will come as 0. That means 2y is equal to 10, then y is equal to 5. 10 by 2, 5. If y is equal to 0, this term it will come 0. Then x is equal to 10. When x is equal to 2, then 2y is equal to, when x is equal to 2, that means 2 plus 2y is equal to 10. So 2y is equal to 10 minus 2, that means 8. Y is equal to 8 by 2, 4. We can check here 2 plus 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. We can put minus 2. When we are putting minus 2 here, 2y is equal to minus 2. This side it will come 10 plus 2, 12, and y is equal to 12 by 2, 6. So we can write four solutions of the linear equation x plus 2y plus 10 are 0, 5. First we have to write the x coordinate, then y. 0, 5, 10, 0, 2, 4, and minus 2, 6. These are the solutions, four solutions. Infinitely many solutions are there for linear equation. These are just four solutions of the given equation. Exercise 4.1. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. And here it's given, take the cost of the notebook as x, rupees x, and that of a pen to be rupees y. So we can write, let the cost of a notebook be x, rupees x, and cost of the pen be rupees y. Then cost, here it's given cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. That means cost of the notebook we have taken that as x. X is equal to twice the cost of the pen. 2 times the cost of the pen. 2 into cost of the pen as y. So 2 into y. Which means we can write x is equal to 2y. Same thing we can write x minus 2y is equal to 0. When we are moving 2y to the left side, x minus 2y is equal to 0. Here the question, write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. So this is the linear equation in two variables. X and y are the variables to represent the given statement. Statement is the cost of a notebook is twice that of the cost of a pen. So we can write x minus 2y is equal to 0 is the linear equation. In two variables. Second question, express the following linear equations in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and indicate the values a, b, c in each case. First one, 2x plus 3y is equal to 9.35 bar. This we have to convert, this term we have to convert to the left side to make in the given form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. For that, this we can rewrite as 2x plus 3y, and when we are moving from right side to left side, it will become negative 9.35 bar is equal to 0. Now the same format, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then when we are comparing these two, we can write a is equal to, in place of a, that means coefficient of x. Here that is 2. Coefficient of y 3. Coefficient of, constant c is equal to minus 9.35 bar. This is the first one. Now the second one. X minus y by 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. This already all the terms are there on the left side. Here we have to compare coefficient of x, that is, this we can rewrite 1x minus 1 by 5 into y minus 10 equal to 0. Then a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1 by 5, and c constant minus 10. Now third one, c minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. When we are moving to the left side, minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0, and compare with the equation. So a is equal to minus 2, b is equal to 3, and constant minus 6. Now fourth one, x is equal to 3y. That we can rearrange x minus 3y equal to 0. We have to convert to this form. When we are comparing with this, a is equal to, that means coefficient of x, that is 1. b means coefficient of y, that is minus 3. And c is the constant. Here is no term as constant, that means 0. We can write c is equal to 0. Next one, 2x is equal to minus 5y. That we can rewrite 2x minus 5y, when we are moving to the left side, it will become plus 5y equal to 0. And comparing with a is equal to 2, coefficient of x, that is 2, b coefficient of y, that is 5, and c means constant, no term, so 0. Now sixth one, 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Here all terms are there on the left side, so directly we can compare with the ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. A means coefficient of x, that is 3. B means y term is not here, that means 0. Y is not there, and 0 into y, 0. So here y term is 0, which means b is equal to 0. And c is the constant 2. If you want, you can rewrite the given equation as 3x plus 0y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now seventh one, y minus 2 is equal to 0. Here this we can rewrite, there is no x term, so 0 into x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Then coefficient of x, that is 0. Coefficient of y, 1. 1 into y, y itself. So b is equal to 1 and constant c is equal to minus 2. Here this we can rewrite. 5 is equal to 2x. Same thing we can write 2x is equal to 5. Again that we can write 2x plus 0y and move that 5 to the left side. Minus 5 equal to 0. Then we are comparing. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 0 and C is equal to minus 5. Exercise 4.2. First question. Which one of the following options is true? Y. Y is equal to 3x plus 5 has unique solution, only 2 solutions or infinitely many solutions. Y is equal to 3x plus 5. We can check that. When we are putting value of x as 0 in this equation, y is equal to 3x plus 5. When x is equal to 0, this term will come as 0. Then value of y, that is equal to 5. If you are putting minus 1 for x, minus 1, this will become minus 3 into minus 1, minus 3, plus 5, minus 3 plus 5, 2. If you are putting 1 into 3, 3, 3 plus 5, 8. So we can see many solutions there. Whenever you are putting different numbers for x, corresponding value for y also we are getting. So there is not a unique solution, not only 2 solutions. Answer is infinitely many solutions. So we can write this equation have infinitely, option 3 is correct, infinitely many solutions. Second question, write 4 solutions for each of the following equations. First one, 2x plus y is equal to 7. For that, first we have to make a table like the same. That's the easiest method to find values of our x and y. X, y. Write the equation 2x plus y is equal to 7. Now we can put any value for x or y. First I am going to put here x is equal to 0. Then when x becomes 0, this term is 0. Then automatically y is equal to 7. Then if x is equal to 1, then that equation will come as 2 into 1 plus y is equal to 7. That is y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 1, 2, minus 2. That means 5. So 1, 5 is another. Then if we are putting 2 for x, so how it will come? 2 into 2 plus y is equal to 7. That means y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 2, 4. 7 minus 4, that is 3. So here it will come 3. Here 4 solutions. We need one more. Then minus 2. You can put minus 2 or minus 1 or any number. Minus 1. Then it will come when we are putting minus 1. 2 into minus 1 plus y is equal to 7. That means y is equal to 7 already here. This 2 into minus 1 minus 2. When we are moving to the other side, it will become plus 2. Is equal to 9. So minus 1, 9. For each value, here we put x as 1. Here x as 2. Here x as minus 1. Corresponding way, we will get the value of y. So therefore, we can write the solutions are 4 solutions we have to find. So the solutions are, we can write first one 0, 7. Right, always write the x coordinate first. Value of x 0, 7, comma 1, 5. Then 2, 3 and minus 1, 9. Here we will get infinite number of solutions, same as this question. But here only just 4 solutions we need to find. So these are the 4 solutions here. Whenever we are giving different values for x or same way for y, we will get the corresponding solutions like the same as the pair, ordered pair. Now second equation, pi x plus y is equal to 9. Same way we can put x is equal to 0. This term becomes 0, then y is equal to 9. When x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, then 1 into pi plus y is equal to 9. That means y is equal to 9 minus pi. X is 1, here 9 minus pi. If x is equal to 2, then 2 into pi plus y is equal to 9. That means y is equal to 9 minus 2 pi. 9 minus 2 pi. X is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. Then here minus pi plus y is equal to 9. That means y is equal to pi plus 9 or 9 plus pi. Now here we got 4 values. So we can write, therefore the solutions are 0, 9, 1, 9 minus pi, 2, 9 minus 2 pi, and minus 1, 9 plus pi. Third one, x is equal to 4y. Here x in terms of y. So easy to put the value for y first. Y is equal to 0. This term will become 0. So x also is equal to 0. When y is equal to 1, value of x is equal to 4 into 1, 4. Y is equal to minus 1. Then x is equal to 4 into minus 1, minus 4. Then y is equal to 2. Then x is equal to 2 into 4, 8. Now 4 values we got. So we can write, therefore the solutions are 0, 0, 4, 1, minus 4, minus 1, and 8, 2. 4 solutions. Question number 3. Check which of the following are solutions of the equation x minus 2y is equal to 4 and which are not. Equation is x minus 2y is equal to 4. First it's given 0, 2. We can start with LHS, left side of the equation. LHS is equal to that x minus 2y. In place of that, x 0 minus 2 into y, value of y here 2, which is equal to 0 minus 4 is equal to minus 4. Right side answer is given 4. These two are not equal. Minus 4 not equal to 4. That means LHS not equal to RHS. So what we can write? See, therefore 0, 2 is not a solution, is not a solution of the given equation, of the given equation. Now we can check the same way with the 2, 0. Here LHS is x minus 2y. x minus 2y, which is equal to, in value of x, that is 2 minus 2 into 0, for in place of y 0. So which is equal to 2 minus 2 into 0, 0. 2 minus 2, 2. And on the right side the answer is 4. So we can write that not equal to 4. LHS not equal to RHS. So 2, 0. Therefore 2, 0 is not a solution of the given equation. Now next 4, 0. There also we can start with the LHS. LHS means x minus 2y. That is 4 minus 2 into 0 is equal to 4 minus 0, that is equal to 4, which is same as the right side answer 4. That means LHS is equal to same as RHS. So we can write 4, 0 is a solution of the given equation. Fourth one, root 2, 4 root 2. Equation is x minus 2y. So LHS is equal to x minus 2y. For that we can put root 2 minus 2 into value of y here 4 root 2, which is equal to root 2 minus 2 into 4, 8 root 2. Root 2 minus 8 root 2 is equal to minus 7 root 2. That is not equal to 4. So we can write LHS not equal to RHS. Therefore, root 2, 4 root 2 is not a solution of the given equation. Here next one, 1, 1. LHS x minus 2y, that means 1 minus 2 into 1 is equal to 1 minus 2 into 1, 2. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1. That also not equal to RHS. RHS is there given 4. So LHS not equal to RHS. Therefore 1, 1 is not a solution of the given equation. Question number 4. Find the value of k. If x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1, is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. This is the solution. So we can put the value of x and y in the given equation. That is 2x. So 2 into value of x is 2 plus 3 into value of y is 1 is equal to k, which means 4 plus 3 is equal to k. That is k is equal to 7. 4 plus 3, 7. So the value of k is 7.